This definitely has vibes of like tropical fruit and warm sunshine. I just need some palm trees. It is also really a deceptively simple cocktail for the amount of sophistication and balance that the flavors bring. Very easy to make, but it's gonna taste like you did something incredible. So let's go shopping. All right, so first for John's Yum Yum Punch, we have Kronan Swedish punch. This was from back in the 1700s when Swedish sailors discovered rum and made a rum punch. When they came back to Sweden, it took off amongst the Swedes and now it's a thing. And we're glad it is because it's absolutely delicious and great for this cocktail. And then secondly, Byrrh. And Byrrh is going to be, it's an aperitif wine that is flavored with a lot of different herbs and botanicals, including the quinine bark. So you'll get some of that flavor, but also a lot of depth and spice to it. That is really nice. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to make John's Yum Yum Punch. It just sounds stupid. 1 ounce Swedish punch, 1 ounce Byrrh, 1 ounce lime juice. So it's just equal parts of 3 ingredients. Super simple and nice. And shake. Rocks glass. Ta-da! And that is how you make John's Yum Yum Punch.